heart starts beating when you are 6-week embryo in the mother's womb. It continues to beat without taking rest even for a single second until we are alive. Once it takes rest, then we are gone, we are dead. So it is very important that we need to take care of our heart so that heart takes care of us. With this, we are dealing exercise 1.2 17th problem of arithmetic progression. Here it is asked to find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. We need to find the 20th term not from the first term, it is from the last term. Understand, children? Ask you to find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. What is the AP given here? 3, 8, 13, etc. Which is the last term? 253. From 253, which number comes 20th term? That we have to find. Not from the first, from the last. Now you observe this AP properly. 3, 8, 13. And what is the common difference? Common difference as usual. Second term minus first term. Second term is 8. First term is 3. And after subtracting you will get common difference 5. Now observe this AP when we proceed from first term to last term, and then observe once again very carefully when we proceed from last term to first term. What difference you must have to notice. Once you notice the difference, then it becomes very easy at all. Difference with the common difference. Common difference makes the difference from first term to last term, from last term to first term. Now I am proceeding from first term to last term. You can see that first term is 3. After adding the common difference 5, you will get second term. Now second term is 8. After adding common difference 5, you get the third term. Okay? This is going from first term to last term. Proceeding from left to right. Now we proceed from last to 8, taking 13 as a last term. For time being, we will leave this. We will take 13 as a last term, and you see that how it proceeds. If 13 is the last term, how you get the penultimate term? By subtracting the common difference. Here you have added the common difference, here you have to subtract the common difference. 13 minus 5 is 8 minus 5 is 13. Understand very carefully, when you are proceeding from first term to last term, you are adding the common difference. When you are proceeding from last term to first term, you are subtracting the common difference. If the common difference is positive from left hand side to right hand side, or from first term to last term, then it should be negative when you are considering from last term to first term. That's all the difference. If the common difference is plus, then you make it minus. If the common difference is minus, then you make it plus. That's all. Now we need to find the 20th term from the last. Which is the last term? Last term is 253. Now we are proceeding from the first term to last term, adding the common difference or changing the sign of the common difference. Here the common difference is 5 when you proceed from first to last. What is the last term? 253. What is the common difference? Plus 5. Make it minus 5. So that 253 minus 5 is 248. 248 minus 5 is 243, and it proceeds like this by subtracting with the common difference. Here by adding the common difference you are getting the AP. Here from last, if you take, by subtracting the common difference, you are getting the AP. Did you understand? Got my point? It's very easy. Now you can see that since you need to find the 20th term from the last term, 253, becomes the first term. Last term becomes the first term. Why last term becomes first term? It is because you are finding the 20th term from last. Okay? Therefore, last term becomes the first term, and the common difference plus 5 becomes minus 5. That's all the difference. Last term becomes the first term, and the common difference plus becomes minus, or minus becomes plus. What is the common difference in general here? Here common difference is 5. Now the common difference is minus 5. If it were minus 5, then it would have become plus 5. Understand, children? Note this point very carefully. Common difference here is 5. Since we are taking from the last term, common difference becomes minus 5. Understand? Now, what we need to find? We need to find 20th term. What do you mean by 20th term? A20. A20 means n value is 20. Understand now? Now, once you know this, once you correct all this data, then usual procedure applying the nth term formula. What is the nth term formula? Nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 times t. What is a n b? What you have to find? You have to find 20th term. So n value a20 substitute. A20 is equals to what is first term here? 253. First term is not 3. Why first term is not 3? Because you are finding from the last. Understand? Therefore last term becomes the first term, and the first term here is 253 plus what is this? N value is 20, because we need to find 20th term from the last, so it becomes 20 minus 1, and d value is minus 5. D value is minus 5. That's the problem. Now A20 is equals to 253 plus 19 into minus 5. 19 minus 5 is minus 95. Thus you will have A20, the 20th term is equals to 253 minus 95. What is 253 minus 95? It's nothing but A20 is equals to 158. 158 is the answer. What is the 20th term from the last? The 20th term from the last is 158. Hope you understand, children. So observe this problem carefully, and some procedures are there. If you come to know that, the problem becomes very easy. Here we are finding the 20th term from the last. 20th term from the last means common difference becomes plus, becomes negative, negative becomes plus. You understand, children? That's all the problem. Hope you understand that.